Hey, sir. How you doing?
You know me? I remember you.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Get off my porch.
Okay. I don't know where you're talking from.
Get off my porch.
All right, well.
I'm calling the cops right now. You better return exactly what you have because I'm coming. You better put it down because I got you on camera. You better bring it back.
Don't forget about your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations. So you won't have to be like this guy chasing down pirates for your stuff.
Hey, sir. How you doing?
Hi, we'll be right there.
Check this guy out. This one is pretty strange. You trying to cut some grass at 3 a.m. or trying to solicit some business. It's pretty weird.
How can I help you?
Hey, how you doing, ma'am?
Who are you looking for?
I'm just trying to see if I could give you my service put in your yard, ma'am.
No, you have the wrong door, and it's 3:00 in the morning. Please move from my property.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry,
Thank
ma'am. I'm
you.
trying to...
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Not at 3 in the morning. What shit is that?
Morning.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Cut my yard. How you cut my yard? Yeah. Get the fuck out of here.
There's another guy behind the around the way.
Probably, yeah.
Oh, excuse me. I got a little bit of water in this water bottle. I'm so sorry to bother y'all.
Debe, ¿qué quieres?
This lady really gets pissed about this guy using the bathroom in her yard. I couldn't include everything she said.
Absolutely fucking not. Get up. I'm calling the cops. Get the fuck away from my fence.
This guy steals a package and is on his way to another. Good thing this ring cam owner was paying attention.
Back up. Back up. And put that package back.
This one's pretty disgusting, guys. I'm pretty sure you can figure out what he's doing. He was at the door knocking and trying to open it up while he was doing those motions. I'm sorry, I couldn't figure out what location this came from. If you're home, please don't ignore your packages because somebody else will come by and take it.
Hi, you are currently being...
Check this guy out. Tries to act like he's helping this lady out, but really he just wants to steal her groceries.
Hello? Do you need anything?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just letting you know, your stuff is on the porch. You heard, ma'am?
Okay.
I'm just letting you know your stuff from Walmart's on the porch. That's all, man. I'm just saying.
If you're expecting food deliveries, try to get them off the porch as soon as possible.
Okay, what you got in your hand? Okay. I'll let him know. Thank you.
I don't advise any of you ladies to chase down a thief unless you're armed. But who knows what's in the bag?
Yeah, I hate to bother you. Where's Daniels Road? My car broke down. Daniels? I don't know where Daniels Road is. It's right behind, it's right past the Circle K. Okay. Circle K is that way? No, it's that way. The Circle K is that way? Yeah. Oh, I'm so lost. Thanks. Oh, God.
Have 2 AA batteries by any chance, please? I would really appreciate it. It's her birthday. I just want to take pictures. Thank you. Sorry.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
They're cutting the cake.
The police are being called. Remove yourself now.
Away from my door before I call the police. And don't ever come on my property again. Get away from my door. It's 10:40 p.m. I don't know what you could need. It's not nothing like that.
I certainly don't think she overreacted. You don't know what that guy could have wanted.
Hello? Hello? Anybody home? What? I'm looking for Eric. Is he here? Do I have the wrong house? What? I'm looking for Eric. Do I have the wrong house? Sorry to bother you. What? I was looking for Eric. Do I have the wrong house? No. You don't live here? No. Oh, my bad, man. I'm sorry. I have the wrong house.
In that car. I saw you in this one too, looking around.
Check O School out. He came out to protect his. Don't forget to double check those doors before you go in at night. Also, try not to leave any personal information or valuables in your vehicle.
Hey, get your ass out my fucking car!
Let me know what you guys think about this one. Has this ever happened to you?
We can't answer the door right
What do you want?
My phone.
Yeah, I know that trick. I got you on camera already. Baby, call 911.
Okay. They said they called the police.
I've seen this before, but never really knew what they was up to.
Get out of the backyard.
Hi. It may take a moment to answer. Please wait.
That's my, come here, get up. Oh, my name is Armani. Okay, we're not on nothing bad. We're stranded, and we're trying to find, can you, like, help us get home? You can help? Huh? Our phones are dead. Our friend literally left us. You can. What's it before that? I said I cannot talk. Okay, respect. Come on. Don't walk. Look at grass.
Let me know your thoughts in the comments and what would you do in that situation. It is pretty late, 1 a.m.
Hello?
Hey, hi. I live the next street over, right?
Uh-huh.
And I used to live over like 7014. I noticed you always had a lot of ladders. Is there any way I could use one of your ladders to fix the rain spout on the next street over real quick?
My husband's not home, so I can't lend his ladders out.
Okay. Do you know when he'll be home?
I'm not sure. Yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
All right. Sure.
Check this guy out. I guess he's gonna try to hit every camera in the building. I'm not sure why everybody hates cameras so much. Unless you up to no good.
Go, 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 go. Hurry up, hurry up.
I see you.
Check this lady out. From what I've read, she's going door to door trying to collect money on the daily.
Hello?
I don't know if you remember me, but did you buy the house from Full Cigarette? Here's my dilemma. This is the only place I'm going to come to because it's the only place familiar. I'm out of gas, and I need a couple bucks for a gas can. Is that possible until I get home?
Sorry.
No?
No.
Alright.
Sorry.
As this guy comes out for a cigarette, a surprise pops out.
No, we're just here right now. Okay. Hey! Motherfucker!
How did he come to our house?
Can I help you with something?
I'm sorry, I just was wanted to see if you had a bottle of water or something.
I don't believe you, bro. But if you go to battle with this.
Yo, what the fuck?
Let me know what you guys think of this one. Is this guy lost or is he casing the place?
Hello? Hello?
Wrong address. I have the wrong house.
What the fuck are you doing at my house? Look at somebody.
This guy seems to have had one too many. He falls over, doesn't even try to get up. If you're home, please try to get your packages ASAP. Do not get too comfortable. Don't forget to keep those doors locked. Double check before y'all go in.
Can I help you?
No, thank you.
I got your photo. Fucking asshole.
Check this lady out. Did y'all catch what she just did?
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
6190. Thank you.
This guy takes a piss by this guy's front door. He decides to chase him down.
Fucking serious? Did you just fucking piss right here? No? You fucking serious? Get the fuck off our goddamn property. Disgusting fuck.
But before you decide to do this, please be armed. You never know what these people may have.
No, get back in the fucking house! Get in the house! Get in the fucking house! Fuck out of here! Motherfucker! Give me the fucking knife!
Hey man, that's not yours, and I'm calling the police if you don't put it back, man. Put it back. I'm calling the police if you don't put it back, man. I have you on video. Put the scooter back, and I'll let this go. Just put the scooter back, man. And leave and never come back. I have you on video along with your face.
Hey, what are you doing in my car? What are you doing in there? Why are you looking in my car? Are you okay? You know that's not your car, right?
Don't forget about your other delivery options, Amazon lockers, PO boxes, and pickup locations you can grab them from. Check this lady out. She comes into this yard and starts talking a bunch of gibberish. Does anybody know what she's saying? I guess these guys are trying to break into this house, but get scared off by the owner. It's kind of strange, but the side of their van says sheriff.
What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Hello? Hello?
This lady stands in front of this house for 3 minutes just talking crazy stuff.
War, yeah, see, and then they put Scottish in Ireland, Israel, yeah, to Colatiano in a war. I work baga Gaza, Chupaya, Tino Colaria, yeah, to Colatiano Colasia, to Cusia, yeah, to Colatia as a boss of war, yeah, to Colantia, and did every planet plotted to Chicago, I see you. You don't know what's I you have to go shop, I don't fuck you.
Looks like we may have a peeping Tom, or checking the windows to see if anybody's home to break in.
Yo, what are you doing?
What happened? What happened?
Not sure what's up with this lady. She seems to be intoxicated. And she claims to be looking for somebody.
I don't mean to make a lot of noise, but I am looking for a gentleman who looks like he's maybe in his 30s. early 20s. Hello, I am looking for a man who's like in his early 20s.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Get away from my door. Get away from my door. Get away from my door now. Get away from our doors.
Let me know down in the comments what you guys would do in this situation.
Hi. Please let us know the reason for your visit.
Hi, I'm looking to find a bus stop.
Can I help you?
For $1.
Excuse me?
Would you happen to have $5 for $1?
I do not. I'm sorry.
Do not. Thank you.
Not sure why people are so comfortable going to random doors.
Hey, look. Your door's open up. Your door was open up.
Why you open my door?
You know me?
No. You know me?
I remember you.
Please be aware of your surroundings at all times. Not sure why they let him walk so close behind him. Thank God he was weak and no one was hurt.
Are you mugging them? There's a ring.
Hey!
The cops are
What's going on with you?
Hey!
Man alive!
Hey!
Cut the cops! Motherfucker, I got you on the camera! I got you on the camera! Cut the...
This is very unfortunate. The delivery man's car gets taken while he's making his delivery.
Yeah, I have to wait a minute for that now. There you go.
You all set?
I am good.
All right, we'll see you, Kristen.
All right, thank you.
Try to take your keys and lock the doors if you're going to leave your car running.
Hey!
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Check this door wiggler out. He has a little performance for us. Let me know what you think.
I walk this slow, I walk alone. So-do, 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 wow. Yo.
When I seen this, all I could think of was I got the bike holiday.
Put my son's bike back now. Put my son's bike back now. Crackhead. They stole my son's bike right off my porch. He's going to jail.
Instead of hitting up Walmart, this guy decides to shop at this door. If you're expecting food delivery, try to grab it ASAP. A lot of hungry people out here.
Hello, happy spring. We're busy bees and can't make it to the door. Please leave a message.
Hello?
The CEO, hey, the CEO of the Rendell Group, myself, Jeffrey Rendell Crawley, or formerly Jeffrey Rendell Crawley, now Ramir Abdul Mohammed. Just coming to rep my set and claim my shit. So,
What the hell are you talking about? Get away from my door,
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Not sure what's up with this guy. Claims he has a furniture delivery.
Now.
Are you waiting a bed delivery? Huh? Are you awaiting a bed delivery? A bed? Delivery. Is that here? No. Do you happen to know what 29274 is?
What are you doing in my yard? Get out of my yard. Hey! Get out of my yard. Get out. Get out of my yard. Get out of my yard.
I don't understand what you're saying.
I said, get out of my yard and quit picking my flowers.
Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Is this guy just reminiscent of the past or up to no good?
Can I help?
Hello?
Can I help you?
We used to own this house for a long, long time ago. I was looking at it for sale.
Okay, well, you cannot come onto the property.
You what?
Can you please leave?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I think that's a neighbor. Hello, can I help you? Excuse me.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.